Hi everyone, how are you? Now welcome for a new chapter. In this chapter what we are going to do, first of all whatever I have listed here, each and everything will be a new for you. Okay. Now just going for the heading of the topic of the chapter, first of all it is permutation and combination. Two words together related with each other, one is permutation and another is combination. Now I am going to give you a brief introduction about the topic, and after that each and every term is new for you. For example, we are having fundamental principle of counting, that is called FPC. Then factorial notation, a totally new term for you. What about, you must have learned about factors, but this is a factorial. Okay. And then permutation. Now according to the chapter, permutation, and then we are having combination. So in the permutation what we are going to do, permutation when all the objects are distinct objects, derivatives of the formula, this is n on the head of p and r on the base of p. Okay. Or it can be written like this also. So this is the formula for permutation. Then permutation when all the objects are not distinct objects. Now here I have written all the objects are distinct, but here not distinct, and this we are going to use with the formulas. Then we are having circular permutations, combination. Now for the combination we are also writing in the form of NCR. This is written the formula, that is NCR. Okay. And then practical problems and applications based on combinations, based on permutation. So this is what a thing which we are going to do in this a very interesting chapter.